In the eastern part of Java Island lies a region blessed with extraordinary natural beauty. A place where the sun rises earlier, the wind whispers more gently, and the landscape tells its stories through every curve and contour. This is East Java, a grand stage crafted by the Creator, where beauty never truly ends. Our journey begins at Mount Bromo. Before the morning fully opens its eyes, thousands of people gather on Panajokin Hill. They wait for a natural performance that never gets old, the sunrise over the massive caldera. Golden light slowly emerges, revealing the vast sea of sand and painting the sky with shades of orange. Mount Batok stands firm, while Bromo releases thin puffs of smoke, as if reminding us that nature's power never truly rests. Here we feel small, yet incredibly grateful, to witness the grandeur of the universe. From Bromo, we continue our steps toward a hidden gem on Semeru's trail, Ranu Kumbolo. This lake is like an oasis in the midst of an adventure. Its clear water and calm surface reflect the blue sky like a mirror crafted by nature. As the mist dances above the water and the sun slowly rises, the atmosphere becomes warm, even though the air is freezing cold. Hikers pause, release their fatigue, sip something warm, and enjoy a peace rarely found elsewhere. Ranu Kumbolo teaches us one thing. Sometimes the greatest beauty appears after the most exhausting journey. From mountain peaks, we descend toward the deep blue ocean. The southern beaches of Malang offer dramatic and breathtaking scenery. Powerful waves crash against the rocks, creating beautiful white foam. Sendiki's quiet sands, Balekambang with its iconic temple on a small island, and the mysterious Ngliyep all hold stories of their own. The sea breeze touches your face, the scent of salt fills the air, and the sound of the waves becomes nature's calming music. These beaches are more than photo spots. They are places to reflect, to remind us just how vast the world truly is. Our journey takes us farther east, to a region known as the Sunrise of Java. Red Island in Banyuwangi is one of the area's most captivating icons. A small reddish hill standing in the middle of the sea makes it instantly recognizable. The water here glows turquoise, and the waves are perfect companions for surfers. But the true magic appears at sunset. The sky transforms from blue to orange to a glowing golden red. Everything feels warm and peaceful, as if time purposely slows down so everyone can savor the moment a little longer.
East Java is home to mountains, beaches, forests, and natural wonders found nowhere else. Every place has a story, every view carries emotion, and every journey leaves a mark on the heart. From the cold sunrise at Bromo to the warm sunsets of Red Island, they all come together to form a single tale that makes us long to return. This is East Java, a land that is not only beautiful, but one that reminds us to appreciate the earth, the journey, and life itself.